Imagine a machine that excels in one specific task. That's what we call artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, is a type of AI that's all around us. It's the most common manifestation of artificial intelligence in our daily lives, yet it's so seamlessly integrated that we often don't realize we're interacting with it. Take, for instance, Google's search algorithms. These algorithms are designed to do one thing exceptionally well: deliver the most relevant search results based on your query. They're not pondering the meaning of life or contemplating the latest fashion trends. Their sole focus is on providing you with the best possible search results, and they're incredibly good at it. This is a classic example of ANI in action. Similarly, navigation systems like the one in your smartphone or car are another form of ANI. They excel at plotting the fastest route from point A to point B, taking into account factors like traffic conditions, road closures, and more. They're not concerned with what you'll do once you reach your destination or why you're going there. Their task is to guide you there as efficiently as possible, and they do it remarkably well. Another example of ANI can be seen in AI chatbots like Microsoft's ChatGPT or Google Bard. These chatbots are designed to mimic human conversation, answer queries, and provide information. They're not capable of performing a wide range of tasks, but when it comes to their specific function, they're incredibly proficient. But remember, ANI, while impressive, is limited. These systems can't think or make decisions outside their specific domains. They can't learn or adapt in the same way humans can. They're specialists, not generalists. While ANI is amazing, the world of AI has much more to offer. Let's explore. What if machines could understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task a human being can? Welcome to Artificial General Intelligence. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, is the stage where machines not only perform specific tasks efficiently, but they also possess the ability to understand, learn, and execute any intellectual task that a human being can. It's like having a digital clone of human intelligence, but without the biological constraints. Consider the example of AI in radiology. It's not just about machines reading and interpreting medical images. The AI here is being trained to predict patient outcomes, manage treatments, and even monitor the response to treatments. It's like having a doctor who never sleeps, never tires, and continually learns from every case it encounters. That's the power of AGI. But don't let this fool you into thinking that AGI is merely a tool. It's more than that. It's an entity that can comprehend complex concepts, learn from experience, understand our languages, recognize our emotions, and make decisions based on its understanding. It's a machine that's not just following pre-written code, but is able to write its own code, learn from its mistakes, and constantly improve itself. While we're not there yet, the potential of AGI is vast and transformative. From healthcare to education, from space exploration to climate change, AGI can revolutionize every aspect of our lives. It can solve problems we can't, understand things we don't, and even ask questions we haven't thought of. But with such potential come significant challenges and ethical considerations. How do we ensure that AGI benefits everyone? How do we prevent it from being misused? How do we ensure that it respects our values and rights? These are questions we need to address as we continue to advance towards AGI. AGI may seem like science fiction, but the final level of AI is even more mind-blowing. Imagine a machine that doesn't just mimic human intelligence, but surpasses it. This is the realm of artificial superintelligence, a concept that, to some, may sound like the stuff of science fiction. But in the world of artificial intelligence, it's a theoretical possibility that many are working towards. Artificial superintelligence, or ASI, represents a stage where the cognitive capabilities of machines outpace even the brightest and most gifted human minds. The idea is that these machines wouldn't just be able to replicate human intelligence, but they could actually improve upon it, solving problems faster, making more accurate predictions, and even creating new, innovative ideas that the human brain could never conceive. Now, you might be wondering, how close are we to reaching ASI? Well, the truth is, we're not quite there yet. ASI is still a theoretical concept. While we have machines that can perform specific tasks better than humans, and we're making strides towards machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. A machine that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects remains a vision for the future. But let's indulge in this vision for a moment. What could a world with ASI look like? It's an intriguing question. With ASI, we could potentially solve some of the world's most complex problems. Climate change, disease, poverty. These could all be things of the past. On the other hand, the rise of ASI also raises some serious questions. What happens to jobs when machines are smarter than us? And what about control? Could we even maintain control over a super-intelligent machine? While these questions might seem daunting, it's important to remember that we're not there yet. We're still in the early stages of understanding and developing artificial intelligence. And just like any other powerful tool, how we use it and what we use it for is entirely up to us. While ASI is an exciting concept, it's still a hypothetical stage of AI. But who knows what the future holds? Perhaps one day our wildest imaginations will become reality. Until then, we'll continue to explore, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Scene script. AI isn't just classified by capability, but also by functionality. Let's explore these types. First, we have reactive AI. These machines are designed to respond to immediate requests, but they lack memory or learning capabilities. They're a bit like an extremely well-trained dog. They can follow a command perfectly, but they can't recall past experiences or learn from them. You can see reactive AI at work in some of the simpler AI systems around us, like those that control the temperature in your home or determine the shortest route for your GPS. Next in line, we have limited memory AI. These systems can store past data and improve over time. They're like a student cramming for an exam. They remember what they've learned for a while, but the information doesn't become part of a broader understanding. Limited memory AI forms the backbone of many modern technologies, from recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms to self-driving cars that learn from their environment. Moving on, let's talk about the theory of mind AI. This is the next frontier in AI technology. These systems aim to understand and respond to human emotions, which is no small feat. Imagine an AI that can read your mood from your tone of voice and respond appropriately. That's the goal of theory of mind AI. While it's still in the early stages of development, it offers an exciting glimpse into the future of AI. Last, but certainly not least, we have self-awareness AI. This is the pinnacle of AI functionality. It's an AI that's not just aware of the world around it, but also of its own existence in that world. It's a hypothetical concept at this point, but the possibilities are mind-boggling. Imagine an AI that can reflect on its actions, learn from its mistakes, and even make plans for the future. That's the promise of self-awareness AI. Each type of AI, with its unique capabilities, contributes to the diverse landscape of artificial intelligence. Scene script. AI is not limited to one domain. It's everywhere, from music to medicine. In the world of music, artificial intelligence is making waves. Take for instance the case of FN Maker, an AI-powered robot rapper who gained millions of followers on TikTok and was even signed by Capitol Records. This virtual artist was capable of creating music, a task once thought to be solely the domain of human creativity. While there were controversies, it's undeniable that AI has stepped onto the stage of music creation. In the realm of machine learning, chatbots like ChatGPT and Google Bard are becoming more sophisticated, understanding and mimicking human intelligence. They are eliminating tedious tasks and accessing detailed information, making our interactions with technology more seamless and intuitive. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, is already being used in technologies like Google search and online shopping algorithms. It's the technology that allows your smartphone to recognize your face or your voice, transforming the way we interact with our devices. Natural language processing, or NLP, is another domain where AI is thriving. It's the technology behind the voice assistants we interact with, from Siri to Alexa. NLP allows these systems to understand, interpret, and generate human language, making them more user-friendly and efficient. AI's presence is also strongly felt in the field of medicine, particularly in radiology. It is improving diagnoses and predicting patient outcomes, In fact, 30% of radiologists are currently using AI in clinical practice, with more planning to incorporate the technology in the near future. AI is being used to distinguish between normal and abnormal findings on images, and even to predict cellular response to cancer treatment. And let's not forget robotics. AI is the brain behind autonomous robots, from self-driving cars to drones, to the robotic vacuum cleaner that might be whizzing around your living room floor right now. AI is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, one domain at a time. AI is more than just a technological advancement. It's a testament to human ingenuity. As we reach the conclusion of our exploration into artificial intelligence, let's take a moment to recap the journey we've embarked on together. We've delved into the varying levels of AI, starting with artificial narrow intelligence, machines designed to perform specific tasks, like the chatbots and search engine algorithms we interact with daily. We then ventured into the realm of artificial general intelligence, the aspiration to create machines capable of performing any intellectual task that a human being can do. This is the frontier we currently stand at, with AI becoming increasingly sophisticated, learning and adapting to new tasks. Our journey then took us beyond current capabilities into the hypothetical world of artificial superintelligence, where machines surpass human capabilities. This concept, while currently theoretical, pushes the boundaries of our imagination and challenges us to consider what could be possible. We also navigated through the different types of AI based on functionality, from reactive machines that respond to immediate requests, to the concept of theory of mind, AI, which aims to understand and respond to emotions. These varying functionalities demonstrate the versatility and potential of AI. Beyond this, we explored the application of AI across various domains, from the everyday technologies we take for granted to the cutting-edge research in fields like radiology, where AI is revolutionizing diagnoses and predicting patient outcomes. But our exploration of AI is not without its ethical considerations. As we integrate AI into more aspects of our lives, questions about ownership, consent, and intellectual property arise. The rise and fall of the virtual wrapper, FN Mika, serves as a stark reminder that the development and deployment of AI must be handled with care, ensuring respect for cultural diversity and individual rights. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI, one thing is clear: the future of AI is as limitless as our imagination. With each new development, we're not just creating intelligent machines, we're expanding our understanding of what it means to be intelligent. And in doing so, we're redefining the boundaries of human potential. So, let's continue to dream, to innovate, to question, and to create. After all, the world of AI is ours to shape, and the possibilities are truly endless. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI, one thing is clear: the future of AI is as limitless as our imagination.
As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.